This was how my dad lost all his crypto, which he has been saving for over 4 years. Listen to this conversation.
Hello, Daddy, good evening.
How you doing?
I'm fine, Daddy. How are you doing?
Well, we just returned from the farm.
Okay. All right, Daddy, the last time you said you lost all your crypto. How did it happen, please?
We just opened it and found out that my wallet had been hacked,
Oh,
and almost 97% of this thing they have been removed.
How many years? How long have you been saving that crypto?
Over 4 years.
Over 4 years.
Yes.
I wish you had a hardware. You can put it there and save it like nobody would have access to it. It's a cold wallet. Okay.
But we didn't do that. Nobody tell me about that.
Oh.
We never expect that somebody will just enter there and take my money away.
So sad. Okay, Daddy, I will send you one. I will send it to you. So whenever you have your crypto, you store it there and forget about it. Yes.
Any crypto can be saved there.
Any crypto can be saved in there.
Okay.
So I will send you one very soon.
Okay. It's all right.
Okay.
It's all right.
Listen, let me tell you something. Ignorance is not an excuse. As technology keeps evolving, you also need to update yourself. Don't say to yourself, nobody can hack my wallet. I also want you to know that every day different updates are out on how they can hack that your wallet. As technology evolves, Ledger has also come to play. Ledger is a cold wallet device, and this happens to be the Ledger Flex. This device will help you protect your crypto. When you store any of your cryptocurrencies in here, it's more safer because no one can access it, just you alone with the passcode. So what are you waiting for today? Hit the link wherever around this video to grab one of these and thank me later. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.